tired of waiting for your nail lady in between two other clients, hoping that your nail girl is on her game? You never know if she partied last night, if she broke with her boyfriend. No idea how your nails are gonna turn out. Hey everyone, this is it. This is my first YouTube video. I'm so excited to be here with you guys to share my secrets on a salon quality manicure at home for less than $10. I'm gonna show you the products that I'm using in the video. Here we have a package of the Kiss nails. These are the Gel Fantasy and the color is Tamano Largo. These I thought would pop on camera, and they do. They're gorgeous. They have the glitter, the chrome, and the regular paint. Now these don't have the little sticky on the back, which I prefer. The cheaper ones do, and that's fine. Sometimes I like the design, so I just purchase them. But I do like the, I believe it's the Gel Fantasy. They're about $2 more, but I can tell you it's worth it to not have to sit there and peel off the little sticky part. So the next thing that I use is the Kiss and the Maximum Speed Nail Glue. This is probably a couple dollars at CVS, Walgreens. I think it varies from like $2.50 to $3. This is a great investment. It's going to last you lots of sets of nails, okay? The next thing I use is this Kiss nail clipper. This is about $5 to $6 retail. You can get it anywhere that they sell the fake nails. It's just usually like at the bottom, so sometimes you kind of have to look for it. Another thing is a good nail file. Ladies, a good nail file can take you very far in life, okay? So make sure that you invest in a good nail file. You can find these at the dollar store, but you can get them at Target, like a pack of them for $5 or $6. These are really the main products that you're gonna need. If you have one of these buffers, this is always a good thing to have too, and I'll show you why in the tutorial. All right, we're getting right into the tutorial here. I'm just opening up the box to sift through the sizes to find the correct fit for my particular nails. My nails are quite small, so I really can only get one set out of each box, but that's okay. It's still gonna save you a ton of money and time, I promise. So each nail does have a size at the end of it. That one is a size 1. They do go from a 0 being the largest, 10 being the smallest. So you can kind of, for each brand, you know which size works best. But again, there's about 24 to 30 nails, I believe, in each package. So these are going to give you at least one set per package. And I'm just going through and sizing them, each nail, to get organized, seeing which ones fit the best. Alright, so this is actually the step of prepping the nail. You're going to want to take your nail file and just kind of lightly sand the top of your natural nail so that the glue and the fake nail have something to adhere to. This step is extremely important. This is going to be the reason that your nails will last 2, even 3 weeks. So the next step is going to be the gluing process. You're going to take your glue and just kind of disperse it all over, and then you're going to take the false nail and just move it around to make sure that every space on the nail does have glue. This will make sure that the nail doesn't move or budge or lift. Alright everybody, so you're going to go ahead and repeat that gluing process on the remaining nails. So at this point, you are more than welcome to leave the nails as is. They are absolutely gorgeous, just the way that they are. This is the step where you're going to be cutting the nails with the Kiss nail cutter. So you're just really going to choose the length that you want, and you're going to snip off the ends, and then you're going to use the rough side of your nail file to file down the raw edges. You're going to, want to go ahead on the sides and just clean anything up that needs to be closer to your nail so that it keeps the nail nice and close to your natural nail, and so they won't lift or break or bend. All right, so we've gotten to the part where we are using the buffer. So this is really good to get the excess nail from underneath. That's like a little bit of plastic that you can just kind of pull out of there so you're not picking at them and they're not falling out the next day. So this just kind of gets that excess nail out from underneath, and it's just kind of a nice way to even everything out and make them look nice and clean. It's really the end of the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I promise that when you try it, you will not go back. You will be addicted like I am. Unfortunately, my husband said, please stop buying nails until you use the ones that you have. He does find little nail clippings everywhere, which is kind of funny because he leaves his socks everywhere. So, and click the little bell to see new content every week. And please, if you haven't already subscribed, do so at the bottom of the page. I can't wait to share all of my insight with you. Look forward to seeing you next week.